executing a reverse shell on this. So we will try to open the port 80 as our listener. And then I will be executing NC with -e to execute bin bash. And we will direct that into our IP address for 45.246 port 80. So if this worked, and yeah, if this worked, we will be having a shell on port 80. So as you can see here, we actually have a connection. Okay, so we confirm that we have a reverse shell, but we don't really have a good TTY. So I'm going to use Python. We know that this is Python 3, right? So we call Python -the import PTY. Yeah. So we actually have a shell in here now. In order to have a privilege, in order to escalate privilege, we are trying to aim that, right? In order to do that, we should have enumerate this machine after we successfully exploited it. So let's try to see what's in here. There is an app.py. Let's see what that is. It might be, I will be trying to copy this. So look that in easier. And there is a numbering in the top left, in the left side, right? So the app.api, it's actually a script that runs Flask. And this seems to be the code of the API function we are trying to exploit earlier. So you can see here, you don't have to be a Python expert for this. We can just try to understand this by looking for the common queue that we can find. So we know that they are generate and verify, the function that we attacked earlier. We know that it's actually accept both get and post method. And as you can see here is a basic if then else. If the method is get, return the email domain. We can actually confirm that whatever email we provide, it actually encode to SHH-256. And the another one, the verify, it's also accept both get and post. And here is actually the risky code, the vulnerable code that we successfully exploited. And also Sorwell is actually mentioning his guess, right? And it's actually correct. So thank you, Sorwell, for that. And yeah, so this is actually the vulnerable part of the code that allow us to execute OS command.